Everyone, welcome to this episode of MedTech Minis. I'm your host, Susie Ingwall. Today I have with me Viral from Neurosom. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Susie.
Yeah, I'm so thrilled to have you on because I've known you and your company for a while now, and I've loved to see the progress that you guys have made. But before we kind of jump into your technology, tell me a little bit about why you started Neurosom and what are the things that you set out, what is the problem that you set out to solve?
So, Susie, I'm the founder and chief strategy and operating officer at Neurosom. Taking back towards my personal journey, I've been in MedTech for about 20 years now, and I have seen firsthand the impact that quality sleep has on numerous lives, whether it's cognitive functions, resilience, and mental health well-being. So that's what drove me towards sort of the mission that we have at Neurosom, which is better sleep, better mind, better you. And although I'm a biomedical engineer by background, personally, I've mostly been involved in my professional career after the academic work that I had done on the customer-centric roles. And so I've been on the sales, business development, strategy side of things, as well as the operations. And Neurosom has developed a personalized, non-invasive sleep therapy.
That is really cool. So let me interject for 1 second. I love that you're working on this problem. I'm someone who suffers with sleep issues as well. And so I'm always looking for new and great technologies around this. And I think that's one reason why I keep kind of following you guys and what you're doing. But I think this is really going to resonate with a wide group of people with our audience. It's not limited to just one age group or just one segment of the population. There are a lot of people that suffer from sleep issues. So tell us about the technology. I'm excited to hear about it.
Yeah, so at Neurosom, we've developed a personalized non-invasive sleep therapy. And this is a simple headband that users can wear in the comfort of their own home, just before going to bed, really. And they put it on. It monitors EEG, which is electroencephalograph. It monitors that in real time. And we have patented machine learning algorithm that we use that tracks real time individual's own brain activity. And then we apply gentle electrical stimulation at the right time to nudge your brain into deep sleep. So that kind of gives you a broad perspective of what we do. But we see, while that is kind of the core foundational piece of what we do, which is Sleep WISP headband, there are several elements that we as a company think are critical to improving deep sleep. And so, for instance, training in relaxation, meditation, and cognitive behavior therapy for insomnia. These are all critical aspects of improving one's sleep hygiene. And as a company, we're focused on some short-term goals, which is our Sleep WISP therapy, the headband system, but as well as mid to long-term goals where we want to provide a more holistic sleep solution and therapy to users. And that will involve some of the machine learning and AI-based work, which I can't talk about right now, but there are some exciting developments happening within the company that we should be able to talk about in a couple of months.
I love that. I'm so excited because I want to learn kind of what the next iteration is of what's coming down the pipeline. With your current product, is that available on the market right now, or is something that somebody like me could go to a website and buy?
Yeah, that's a great question, Susie. Currently, we are in clinical trials. So we've been very fortunate as a company to have received funding from National Institutes of Aging, which is where we're currently recruiting participants for mild cognitive impairment as an application area.
Interesting.
Yeah, and we're recruiting both in Oregon as well as at our trial collaborators site in North Carolina. So if any of your audiences tuning in are interested in being part of this trial or any future trials that we embark on, they're welcome to reach out to us.
That's
but apart
great.
from that, Susie, we are, we have early adopters, and I like to call them key opinion leaders that are just in the process of deploying these Sleep WISP devices in their research programs as well as translational programs. So we're super excited about 2025 and moving forward.
I'm excited for this too. And honestly, like I would love to see all the research that comes out around it too, because this is a huge problem and it really can impact someone's health if they don't get good quality sleep. There's so many health problems that can come from that. So I think it's foundational to all of us. I know that you guys are Reg CF, so I don't typically talk about fundraising in these episodes, but because you are Reg CF, which means we can talk about it more openly. If somebody was interested in investing with you, where would they find you?
Yeah, the first place to go typically, I'll tell our customers as well as investors is to go to Neurosom website, and they could go to www.neurosom.net. So that's our website. We do have a contact us page there. We also have an invest page right on our homepage, and so folks could go to our website, or they could go directly to Red Crow, which is the platform that we're using for our fundraising efforts.
That's fantastic. So I'm excited for you guys. Is there anything else that you want to tell everyone before we wrap up for the day?
No, this is a great initiative, Susie, and I really appreciate it. So I'm looking forward to connecting with you again very soon.
Absolutely. And I would love to have you back on when you're done with all of your clinical trials and all your publications, and when you can start talking a little bit more about the next iteration of your product. I'm super excited for the AI components. I love that space. So thank you so much for joining us today, and we will be in touch soon.
All right, take care.